Learn Hindi health words, healthy to dizzy in English in
Hindi.
Welcome to the very dramatic clinic. Hi, you are about to learn Hindi in the most medically unnecessary and emotionally overacted way possible. Relax, laugh, and repeat after me. Picture this. You walk into a tiny clinic where the receptionist is a parrot, the doctor is late, and the waiting room smells like tea and panic. A sign on the wall says, "Today we learn how the body feels." First, if you feel good, strong, and well, you are.
स्वस्थ.
If you feel unwell, you are.
बीमार.
If you worked too much, danced too much, or watched 12 episodes at 2 a.m., you may be.
थका हुआ.
And if your clothes, shoes, or even your heroic attitude fit just right, that is.
Fit.
Meet the patients. Now let's meet a few unusual visitors. They are weird, but very helpful for memory. Patient 1 is a carrot wearing sunglasses. He says, "I eat well, I stretch, I pose for vegetable selfies, and I am."
स्वस्थ.
Single quote. Healthy means.
स्वस्थ.
Patient 2 is a banana under a blanket. The banana sneezes dramatically and whispers, "Today I am."
बीमार.
Single quote. Sick means.
बीमार.
Patient 3 is a phone with 1% battery. It yawns and says, "I am."
थका हुआ.
Please stop opening apps. Tired means.
थका हुआ.
Patient 4 is a jacket in a shop. You try it on. It is not too tight, not too loose. It is.
Fit.
Fit means.
Fit.
The stomach and throat revolt. This section is for the classic human emergency, needing food and water immediately, or at least pretending you do. You leave the clinic and walk past a food stall. Suddenly your stomach growls like a tiny angry tiger. You are.
भूखा.
Hungry means.
भूखा.
Then the sun gets hotter, your throat feels dry, and even a cloud looks like a glass of water. Now you are.
प्यासा.
Thirsty means.
प्यासा.
So remember, stomach asks for food.
भूखा.
Throat asks for water.
प्यासा.
A slightly overdramatic accident. Don't worry, this is a learning accident, not a real one. No vocabulary was harmed in the making of this chapter. Outside the clinic, a superhero slips on a banana peel. He stands up, points at the sky, and announces, "I am still brave, but also slightly."
घायल.
Single quote. Injured means.
घायल.
Then he spins too fast to look cool, stops, wobbles, and says, "Also, I have."
चक्कर आना.
Single quote. Dizzy means.
चक्कर आना.
So if someone is hurt after a fall, they may be.
घायल.
If the room spins and they need to sit down, that is.
चक्कर आना.
Quick dialogues you can actually use. Let's make the words practical. Listen, imagine, and repeat the Hindi parts out loud. A. How do you feel today? B. I feel.
स्वस्थ.
A. Why are you staying home? B. I am.
बीमार.
A. After work, how do you feel? B. I feel.
थका हुआ.
A. Does this shirt fit? B. Yes, it is.
Fit.
A. Do you want lunch? B. Yes, I am.
भूखा.
A. Do you want water? B. Yes, I am.
प्यासा.
A. Is he okay after the fall? B. No, he is.
घायल.
A. Why are you sitting down? B. I have.
चक्कर आना.
Speed drill. Now it's your turn. I say the English, you say the Hindi. Be bold. Even your furniture is impressed. Healthy.
स्वस्थ.
Sick.
बीमार.
Tired.
थका हुआ.
Fit.
Fit.
Hungry.
भूखा.
Thirsty.
प्यासा.
Injured.
घायल.
Dizzy.
चक्कर आना.
Mini quiz from the waiting room. Let's test your memory. No pressure. The parrot receptionist is judging you, but kindly. What is the Hindi word for healthy?
स्वस्थ,
What is the Hindi word for sick?
बीमार,
What is the Hindi phrase for tired?
थका हुआ,
What is the Hindi word for fit?
फिट,
What is the Hindi word for hungry?
भूखा,
What is the Hindi word for thirsty?
प्यासा,
What is the Hindi word for injured?
घायल,
What is the Hindi expression for dizzy?
चक्कर आना,
Friendly conclusion. You did great today. Yes, even if you whispered one word and confidently invented two others. Today you learned how to say
स्वस्थ,
for healthy,
बीमार,
for sick,
थका हुआ,
for tired,
फिट,
for fit,
भूखा,
for hungry,
प्यासा,
for thirsty,
घायल,
for injured, and
चक्कर आना.
for dizzy. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back tomorrow so your Hindi becomes more and more
फिट,
in your mind.